I'm going to show you how you can control the theme and layout of Fusion for all your users. Fusion has two layouts. This is the dashboard layout, where we have a number of dashboard panels showing information. And this is the button layout, which has a simpler interface for younger users. It doesn't matter which layout you still have all the navigation available to you. As well as the two layouts, there's a number of themes. Themes are made up of a main colour, a second colour which is applied to the headings, and a background image. If you allow them to, any user can go into their menu and choose Layout, and choose the layout and the design or theme that they want to use. Logged in as admin or admin manager, you can control the themes and layout that your users have. Go to Manage, scroll down to Configuration and choose Theme Manager. The first question is, do you want to allow all your users to choose their own theme? And it's yes or no. You then have the option to apply themes to all students and all teachers and staff. That's very easy to do. You just choose the theme style and you choose the layout, and the same for teachers. And you can see when I choose the theme and layout that the Apply button is automatically ticked. And all I do is scroll to the bottom and save settings. And immediately all my students and teachers will now have those themes applied to them. I have, however, allowed my users to change their themes, so they will be able to go in and choose their own. You can also apply themes by class. So you might set all your students to have the dashboard or enhanced layout, but you want some younger students to have the button layout. You can choose a class to apply that to. If your school has year group classes, you can apply theme style and layout to a whole year group at a time. And when you've chosen the class settings and Apply is already ticked, just save settings again. If you would like to apply your school colours to all users, regardless of which theme they're choosing, you can do that here. If you remember, we have a main colour and a colour for the headings. If you have one school colour, you can apply these to both. Or if you have two colours, choose the main colour for the bar along the top and your second colour for the heading colours. You can apply the background, which is used in your login page, or you can allow users to have the theme background of their choice alongside your colours. When you're happy with these settings, you switch this on and you save changes. And you can see here that the main colour has changed to match this, and the header colour has changed to match this colour. If I switch to this other user, you can see that the colour has been applied, but the user can still use the background of their chosen theme. And if I go and change my background, you can see that that colour persists. So that's how to manage the themes and layout of all your users on Fusion.